It's really, really weird to get used to, but... Alright, I'm gonna go up here.
I'm gonna get you in your chair. This is George. He's gonna be flying that tricopter following me. That's funny. We both bought our chairs at different stores at different days, and they both came out green. That's so funny. Anyway, looks like we got some wind coming out of the east. She's gusting pretty good. So, alright, off we go. Dude, I think that tail heavy is something. I gotta get my trim set out real quick.
Where are you at?
I'm right over us. Alright, I'm coming over the big tree. Heading towards the big ballpark.
I'm looking for you. I still don't see you. You must be up high.
I'm above you. I'm above you.
Again? Oh, there you are.
It's just nice and setting down, ain't it?
Yeah. Oh, my copter just went into altitude hold.
I'm heading towards Tuxedo. South into the park, heading towards the swing.
You must be above me. Pretty good. How's it going, man? You must be above me still?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't see. I got my goggles on.
Where are you headed at, though?
I'm heading down towards Tuxedo, heading towards us.
Okay. I'm a ways up there, man, so...
Okay. Well, I kind of came down, so...
Oh, there you go. You're heading down Tuxedo?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, you're coming up to our left side here.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm going to go over our heads and go over the old ballpark.
Hope you don't run into me, because I don't have a very...
Now I'm turning, and I'm following towards the track, going out to the circle guys.
You must have came close.
Okay, now I'm heading towards the ballpark. I'm over the ballpark. I'm at the south end of the park.
Are you high or lower?
I'm just right above the light.
Okay.
So I'm heading over that basketball court towards the swing. You're close to me because I'm getting some interference.
Yep. You must be below me or something.
Alright, now I'm turning left, heading up Tuxedo.
You guys think you brought enough planes?
No, never. Now where are you at?
I'm almost towards us. I'm right over us.
So am I.
I'm heading out to the old ballpark towards the railroad track. When I get to the tracks, I'm going to turn left. Alright, I'm at the track, and I'm turning left. Alright, now I'm going out to circle guys.
Okay, I'm trying to go in your line of sight. You must be higher than me.
I'm not very high, dude.
You either high or low.
No.
He's lower than me?
I'm just above the light.
Okay, you at the park yet? The
I'm going over the ballpark. I'm just right above the lights, I'm telling you.
Okay, that's where I'm at right now too. I just missed the light.